this part we are going to drop the ships. So let's go here. Let me close all of this. For doing the drop, the only thing is that I would go and get the highlighted ones and remove the highlight class and add another class so that I know it is being taken. So let's do that at first. So my cells, then for each of them, I would do this. I would check that if that cell dot class list that contains the word highlight, which means that I can drop on this one. So I would remove that class and then add two more classes. One is it's taken, so that I know this is taken, so that I cannot drop any target on top of that one, any ship on top of that one. And the other one is the name of the ship, so dragging ship. Then the next thing is that I need to remove it from the list of the ships that I can't drag. So draggable ships that I have, go and find the ship that is already being dragged. So ship dot class list dot contains the dragging ship, dragging ship. If that is found, then just remove it. Nice and easy. Let's grab this, and this is working perfect. Great. Now if I take a look at the elements that I have here, this is taken, taken and taken. But the thing is that I don't add the name of the ship here, which is a problem. So yeah, I need to say this is add, then do and drop again. Now this is correct. Cell taken, carrier, cell taken, carrier. Okay, perfect. Now if I want to drag another one, still I can't put it here. So this is the thing that we are going to solve later on. But apart from that, I can just drag every ship that I want and then start the game. Great. So in the next video, let's fix the overlap problem that we just saw.